Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we're going to be talking about the price of the Model S, and then we're going to be talking about the free supercharging with the Model S, and then we're going to hop over to the Tesla website, right? And then just to see what it is. So as you can see right here, according to this post by Sawyer, right now the Model X, Model S, and the Cybertruck, they're all starting at under $80,000. So I don't know if Tesla have any plans to make the Cybertruck to qualify for the federal tax credit, but as of right now, it is not. But if you're going to get the, and right now, currently, the fact that Tesla increased the Model S $5,000, they provide it with free supercharging. So I don't know if which one is better, the 5,000 or the free supercharging. So I actually went over to Reddit and I pulled up like a post by from Tesla Motors. This is about 6 years ago, so maybe it's changed. Maybe the price of the supercharger is no longer 26 cents, because I think now it's probably double that. Because when I charge at the West Covina supercharger, I think it's about 47 to 52 cents per watt hours. So I think it's double. But according to the calculations here, it's going to say we're going to be, if you're going to take advantage of the free supercharging anywhere from 60,000 to 80,000 miles after that. So assuming if you're going to drive on an average 12,000 miles to 15,000 miles, then after from 5 to 7 years, and anything, if you keep the car longer than 7 years, let's say, and then you're going to see the free supercharging kicks in. But if you're not keeping the car more than that, then probably it's not worth it for you. But it's really hard to say if you plan to keep that car for that long, because what happens if you get into an accident? You know what I mean? There's a lot of things that within for the next 7 years, right? So, but I myself, like when this is very enticing, for unlimited supercharging. And if somebody who lives in an apartment or somewhere, just a level 2 charging at home is not feasible. And then if you charge on 110 volt, it's not even worth it. They're not even feasible. It's just way too much time. Then this would be a great things to have with your car. You know what I mean? Because I know there's a lot of people out there that they don't have access to those, and supercharging would be the only way. And if you're paying with the $5,000 increase, and now you get unlimited. And if you, for myself, with my Tesla Model Y, I plan to keep it and to drive it until it breaks down, until I can no longer drive it, or until it would cost me more money to fix it, than to get a new one, But otherwise, I plan to drive it until then. But I only have 10,000 miles free of supercharging, or 2 years, so which is coming up next month. That's going to expire. But this is really good. So if you're in the market for a Tesla Model S, or if that's something that you've been wanting to buy a Model S, this would be a perfect time to do it, right? And also, if you don't want to get a Model S, there's other options too. You can take advantage of the Tesla Model 3 and Tesla Model Y. As a matter of fact, if you have to, it says right here, the 0% APR promotions for the new Model 3 and Model Y orders in the U.S. ends tomorrow night, December 15th. So right now it's December 14th. So you have one more day to make the purchase and to take advantage of the 0% APR. Because right now, even if you have like really good credit, and if you're going through the credit unions or your local bank, it's going to be a lot higher than that. And you will not even get close to the 0% APR. So again, if you do, and if you're going to purchase a Model Y, Model X, or Cybertruck, and you can save up to $2,000 if you're going to use my promotional code or referral link, Tesla call it. You get $1,000 for the Model 3 and the Model Y, and you get $500 for the $1,000 for the Model 3 and Model Y, and then $2,000 for the Model S, Model X, and the Cybertrucks. All right, so don't forget to use the referral link. So let's hop over to the Tesla website, and as you can see right here, if you could order the Model S all-wheel drive here, that's with leasing. This is the all-wheel drive. Okay, the estimated EPA is 402, a top speed 130 miles per hour, and 0 to 60 in 3.1 second. And you see here the stealth gray color is included. Let's see if we can go to edit the terms and see what it is. So as you can see right here, even with the excellent 720 plus credits, and you're getting about 6% APR. And if you don't need a Model S, or if you're specifically looking for the Model 3 and the Model Y, the 0% APR, it's a lot of saving for you. So let's see if we can play with some of the numbers here and see if there's a difference. Let's say 5,000. So the APR doesn't change. The percentage doesn't change at all. Let's see if we change the term of the months. So it's still the same. That's the same. So yeah. So if you keep it at the minimum that they want, $3,999. Right. So like I said, so if you're in the market for Model 3, Model Y, you should take advantage of it. But here it doesn't. Right. So we go down, 19-inch wheel, that's included. Black is included. Let's see, walnut color is 2,000. The white is 2,000. And if you want a yoke, $1,000 more, just go with the regular ones. And let's see, this is how much it's going to cost you, right? $1,800 a month, which you can do $250 deposit. So let's see if there's any in the inventory, so that way you can take advantage of it, right? Let's just see, inventory. I'm pretty sure Tesla have a lot of inventories right now, excess, right? New ones too. Right, let's see a Model S. All right, so we do see it here. So they do have a lot of Model S right here, and it's reduced price. A lot of blue ones, right? So here, $68,000, and this is a demo vehicle with 1,400 miles. Not bad at all, right? Free supercharging. You can see right here. See, this is the new design that Tesla did, and it makes a lot easier for any of us looking into buying a car, because everything it's there right in front of your face. You can see the wheel, the paint, the color, the interior. Right, all of this get free supercharging right here, and all of them four-wheel drive. Most of them are demo. Let's see if we can find one that is a new vehicle in that price range. This one is only 994 miles. Demo vehicle as well too. A lot of demos. A lot of them, I say. Yeah. The one with the least mile was 900 something. Some will go up to like 3,000 miles. The red color reduced 72,000 free. 380. This is a bigger wheel, 21-inch. Here we see find a new one right here. This one is $75,000, right? So, I mean, demos vehicles is okay, you know, like the one that I showed you earlier is 900 something miles, not bad at all. Like this one, 958, that's nothing right here, 994. But anything more than that, and I think anything with even under 2,000 miles still is like it's nothing. As long as when you pick it up, you can check for all of them, right? And let's see right here. Just go with the 994. Let's see more information we can see about this vehicle. And here I give you the price adjustment right here. Mine is 6,000 right there. And this is eligible for this is for the business wise. Okay, then you get the tax credit, but if not, you don't. You can also purchase the full self-driving. And if you need the first-time buyer, then you need the home charger, the mobile charger. You can do that. And you can add on the accessories. And this is the basic 4 years warranty, 50,000 miles, or batteries and the motors, 8 years, 150,000 miles. And it says here, like condition, like meets Tesla cosmetic and mechanical standards. So they probably did like some kind of touch up to the car, and this car is available for it. You can pick it up in San Diego, right? Yeah, so that's pretty much it for this video, guys. If you have any questions regarding about Tesla, feel free to reach out to me or leave a comment below. But other than that, thank you for watching. Be safe. Till next time.